My hair was feeling super dry, damaged, and frizzy lately, and honestly, the breakage was getting worse day by day. So I start using this shampoo in my hair care routine. It instantly clean my scalp really well, remove all the built-up and dirt, and make my hair feel fresh without drying it out. I also love how soft and clean my hair feels after every wash. Then I start using this hair mask. It deeply nourishes my hair, help control frizz and make my hair feel super soft, silky and smooth instantly. And now my hair feels so much healthier, shinier and easier to manage. These are the Pilgrim Advanced Damage Repair Shampoo and Hair Mask with Korean rice water and forex protein. This combo help repair dry and damaged hair and make your hair look healthy, smooth and shiny. Comment link for details.